What's up, everybody? Today I got this HKS air intake system. We're gonna install it in my 93 R33 Skyline. It's a RB25 turbo. Watch till the end and then you'll see. I'm gonna give you before and after sounds. I'm hoping it's gonna give me a little just turbo sound when I give acceleration. I currently have a Turbo Smart blow-off valve, so it sounds cool, but I'm just looking for the extra turbo sound. So I have a stock airbox set up here, original, came from Japan, like this. So I'm gonna, hopefully it's an easy process, just a couple bolts, I'm guessing, and we'll be good. And I'll show you, I got a Turbo Smart blow-off valve I installed a couple weeks ago. If you want to see installation and the sound before and after with this thing, check out my channel, there's a video for that as well. I'll put a link in the description so you can find it easy. Let's get into it. So this is what's in the box. Simple. Air filter, hardware. First things first, 2 clips over here, those pop out. Slide the whole thing off. I undone these clips over here, like 3 of them or 4. Comes off. And also don't forget to unplug your battery, just in case, because we'll be taking some sensors out on the front. So negative off. Okay, there's 4 screws, 1 over here, 2 over here, and 1 over here that holds the box in place. Get those out, get the plug unplugged. 8mm clamp over here, get that loose so you can take the whole thing out. And 4 of these bolts are 10mm. And just work your box out of there, wiggle it out. On your stock airbox, we'll be reusing this MAP unit or MAP sensor, whatever you call it. There's 4 screws in there, 1, 2, 3, 4. And get those off, we'll be saving this piece for the new setup. Like this. Okay, so the kit comes with a manual. It's in Japanese, but it's got pictures, which is what we need. There's an assembly here. Just follow the way it looks. Pause it here if you want, but you should get a manual as well. And just take your time, assemble the whole thing. Don't rush. It's not a race. Make sure you get it right. So this is what it looks like, and then basically we'll put it back in place where it's supposed to go. That will go in there. These brackets are gonna plug into the stock holes, and that should be easy process. Okay, so the instructions say we can use this original vent. So the 2 clips go back here, how it came from in the beginning, and then we got this last bracket. We can it says to put it right over here in this bolt. So it kind of goes like that, and then the hole over here, you're gonna basically drill a small hole over here in the plastic and secure it like this. If you're not gonna do this step, I think that's fine. It just might be a little loose, but I'm just gonna do it. Okay, so I got this clips back in place. I got this bracket set up, nice and solid. If you need to bend this bracket a little bit with pliers, that's fine, go ahead. So now it's all solid, secured, no wobbles. Let's start this thing. Don't forget your battery, plug it back in, and then you can start it and see how she sounds. Of course, we're gonna go drive her. That was close. Okay. Okay, sounds cool. I can definitely hear some air sucking in, so we'll drive her and see how she sounds. Okay, I can definitely hear the difference right away. A lot of sucking going on. Cool. That's nice. Yeah. A lot of suction noise going on, but I don't know if I hear turbo much, but I do hear a lot of sucking. Sounds cool. Sounds like a race car. I like it. Second gear. this car, it came with like this active diff. It's kind of like lock diff. So when I turn slow speeds, turn sharp, I can hear like the back like gripping. So when it's wet, it's just so easy to slide. So much fun. Love it. Okay, one last time before I gotta go back home, clean up my tools. Second gear. I'll take it. Well guys, there you have it. Hope you enjoy watching. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. I got a lot of videos on the Skyline. I'm a car dealer. We do a lot of test drive reviews, different sports cars you come across. Don't forget to hit the like button. Next project, the wheels.